y'all, it's your girl Raquel Lilcutenurse, and I'm back as promised. And I got my new Brahmin bag, y'all. I got this box from Dillard's 2 weeks ago. And I've been so busy with school and work, I haven't even opened it because I want to open it with you guys. See how much y'all mean to me? That means a lot. Y'all mean a lot to me. So, we're going to open it today. I have heard so much about Brahmin, but I have never even considered buying one until lately. And then I didn't know where to get it from. Do I get it from Brahmin or do I get it from Dillard's? And I figured if I get it from Dillard's, maybe the shipping will be quick because I wanted it quick. Don't ask why, because I didn't open it. And then when I told you guys about it, so many of you was like, girl, yeah, open it here. And I was like, okay. Basically telling me, girl, you late on the bus. Brahmin's in the business. Where you been? Basically. And I was like, well, I'm on this trip now. So with my slow buy for makeup, I'm going to quickly build me a collection. And yeah, I'm going to empty out my collection of all them other bags, y'all. Like Michael Kors, the Louis Vuittons, the Coaches. I got a new Coach purse I bought that I don't really care for because it's huge. I'll show it to y'all at the end of this video. Okay, I want to wash my hands, y'all, because the bag's white. This is how it's in this box. I don't want to get it dirty with makeup. Okay. Alright, let me make sure it's in the box. Oh, yes. I got the wallet. I almost throw it away. Y'all been like, y'all, what's my wallet? And of course, the receipt. Okay. Alright, y'all. Let's just let the bag sit there and look cute in all its glory. And let me show y'all the wallet. I didn't get one of those exotic colors, which I got my eye on too. I don't know if I want to get the no, not that. I don't know why I'm gonna say cotton candy, because that didn't enthuse me. There's too many colors. Carnation. No, not carnation. What is it? It's sherbet. The sherbet and the sapphire. Those are the next two on my list. But me being me, I want to get the entire collection. Everything that matches this color. Pecan. I want to get everything that matches this pecan. The next thing I'm getting is the travel. Hang tag on it. Not as expensive as Louis Vuitton, so I'm cool with that. I like this. Okay, I hope that pecan matches everything in pecan, because I don't know. And I was excited to get this kind because I always spill out and lose stuff. So if it zips, I don't have to worry about it spilling out in my purse. I like this. Hello. Uh-oh, you get a look. What is this? A certificate of authenticity? Okay, Brahmin. Yeah, and it's just information about your bag and how to clean it and all that. Okay. I mean, about the wallet. So I like the wallet. I like it. Now we're going to need to check out. Let me put this back on here. Let's check out the bag. Okay, I'm happy with this. And it even has a little clear spot there for your driver's license to go. You can put it right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. And you can slide your driver's license right there and pick it up. Okay, I'm liking it. I'm so happy. And I love big purses, if y'all can tell. I said I want to get a Crosby, just one, for little short trips. But this one, I had to get. It is so pretty. I'm ready, y'all. I'm in love with it. Okay. As y'all see, it's a nice bag. Feels kind of silkish. Okay. Alright. Somebody sent me some of their hair sample DNA, but that's okay. Let's see here what we're working with, y'all. This, I can go ahead and tell y'all, it's the Finley, if I'm not mistaken, it's the Finley Carryall Pecan Marvin, I don't know. But I knew I wanted a big bag. This is gorgeous. It's bigger than I thought, but it is gorgeous. I wanted, it's not as big as that Coach, but I wanted a big bag. I love this. I do. I do. It's got an outside pocket for your phone. I don't have mine in here, but at least, you know, you can stick your phone in there and not have to dig around in your purse to find it. Oh, I like this bag. It's beautiful. This is the inside. It has two pockets. Let me, oh, a pocket here too. A zip compartment. Another card to tell you how to take care of it. Okay. Alright. Alright. This is cute. It's got two pockets here. I'm just looking and y'all can't see. And another zip area on this side. Alright, this is cute. Yeah, and this feels like some kind of suede or velvet on the inside. And let me tell you, I wanted it this big. I can fit my laptop in here, my iPad in here, and then my wallet. And they do match. This is cute. This is, okay. Okay, and the smell of leather. I'm sorry, y'all. I like this bag. I like this bag. Okay, I gotta get another one. But I do want the Weekender. I want the Weekender in this so I can have my laptop, my purse stuff, and a carry-on purse. Okay, I'm hooked. I'm hooked, y'all. I am really hooked. I like the feel of these, the look of these. Okay, not, you know, and the price is not too bad. It's not too bad. It's not as bad as the price for, like I keep saying, a Louis Vuitton. You're talking $1,500, $1,600 for, if not $2,200 for a Louis this size. So yeah, but where is the long strap? I was hoping a strap. Girl, you're going too fast. Here we go. Alright, alright. Now I am, this is made in the shade for me. Okay, I wish it was longer. Oh, look at that. The little clips open up like that. Okay. My only wish is that it was a longer strap, because I like my purses to hang low, not like right on my arm. I like for them to hang low. But I like this. I'm going to slowly gather the whole collection for my myself as a graduation gift. Slowly. Like I said, the Weekender, this one as a work bag. I'm going to get the computer bag. And the passport bag. Because if y'all don't know, my master's is going to be ironic, y'all. I'm doing my master's in I'm a psychiatric nurse practitioner. That's what I'm doing. I want to step out of the hospital setting. That's the main reason being. And I do enjoy psych. You know, everybody needs some help. And the shortage is so real in the area of psych. So, yeah, that's what I'm working on. And this is the first one. When I get that Weekender, y'all, I'll come back and share it with you guys. Because that sucker is huge. And it is so beautiful. Talking about being bougie on a carry-on without a Louis. Girl, that thing is beautiful. Okay, guys. Let me go get this Coach and show it to y'all. Because I don't like this bag. hold on. Let me go over and get it. This is the Coach bag that I purchased last year in November. It is huge. It is really big. And I got it because I was doing a lot of those COVID contracts. Let me take this stuff out of here, y'all. Ooh, I was doing a lot of the COVID contracts. As you can tell, my respirator in here. And I wanted something, you know, kind of slick bougie to carry all my stuff in. I got the wallet to match it too, even though I've never used it. Because I was not anticipating this bag being this big. It is huge. Can y'all see that? Huge. And the inside, it could carry. I got some of everything in here. Let me take some of this stuff out. This is how big it is. Still got the little salt things in there. I don't know why. But I only took it with me once and I was like, oh my goodness. Okay, this was bigger than I expected. And I don't know. I just didn't like it, but I'm not one to send stuff back. So I kept it. But anyway, I'm switching over to Brahmin. Don't get me wrong. I do like Coach though, but I won't be buying no more Louis Vuitton stuff. So yeah. Anyway, I done talked y'all to death. That's enough. And I will keep y'all updated with the flow of my Yoshi, y'all. With the flow of my Brahmin collection beginning. I'm starting it now. And I really like my first one. And yeah, I see the carnation one in my future. Not carnation, it's sherbet. I think it's sherbet that I want. Okay guys, y'all stay blessed and I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you're having a wonderful Sunday and everything is smooth sailing. Alright, bye guys. Stay blessed.